Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss a summary of cell. First we will start with nucleus. We will discuss about cell organelles and two types of cells, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. You have already studied about nucleus in previous classes. Nucleus is a dense membrane bound structure of cell which contains chromosomes, the genetic material. It is the most important and essential part of the cell. The main function, it controls all the cellular activities and carries the hereditary information of the cell. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Okay, now there are two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, and both cells are based on nucleus. In eukaryotic cell, true nucleus is present. You can see in the figure, nucleus is present and nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane. But in prokaryotic cell, there is no true nucleus. So you don't find such type of nucleus in prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, you can see that DNA is present inside the nucleus. But what about prokaryotic cell? You know that in prokaryotic cell there is no true nucleus. So DNA is freely floating in cytoplasm. So you all remember that, just remember that eukaryotic cells has membrane bound nucleus while prokaryotic cells do not have membrane bound nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm, that it is the semi-fluid matrix in the cell present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So the structure you can see in the figure, this one, it is the semi-solid fluid that is known as cytoplasm. In both type of cells, cytoplasm is present. Cell organelles which are present inside the cell, you can see these are cell organelles. All these cell organelles float in the cytoplasm only. In prokaryotic cell also, different types of cell organelles present and float in cytoplasm only. So the jelly-like fluid protoplasmic matrix which surrounds the nucleus and constitutes the true internal atmosphere of the cell is called cytoplasm. Now we will see what is present in cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains about 85 to 90% water, 7 to 10% proteins, 1 to 2% lipids, 1 to 1.5% carbohydrates, and 1 to 1.5% inorganic salts of sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, etc. So cytoplasm provides a medium for the organelles to remain suspended. Cytoplasm also participates in the intracellular distribution of nutrients, enzymes, that is inside the region of cells, and in the exchange of materials between organelles. You can see in the figure two organelles. So cytoplasm helps in the exchange of materials between two organelles. Now we will discuss about eukaryotic cell. Do you know what is the meaning of eukaryotic? In Greek, eu means true and karyotic means nucleus. So the meaning of eukaryotic cells is cells that have a nucleus. A eukaryotic cell is, this is eukaryotic cell which is in front of you, is composed of a jelly-like translucent protoplasm. Protoplasm means cytoplasm plus nucleus. Clear, children? So this cell is composed of a translucent protoplasm bound by a plasma membrane. This outer boundary is known as plasma membrane or cell membrane. This one is plasma membrane. So already I told you that protoplasm consists of two very well defined parts. One is cytoplasm and the second one is nucleus. Cytoplasm, you can see in the figure, this one cytoplasm in which cell organelles are present. Already we have discussed about cytoplasm. And what about nucleus? Nucleus, this one is nucleus which is a dense spherical body in the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells occur both in animals and plants, or you can say in other words you can say that eukaryotic cell divided into two parts, animal cell and plant cell. Clear, children? But there are a number of significant differences between the animal and plant cell. Already you know that plant cells contain cell wall. There is one extracellular cell wall which is not present in animal cell. Clear, children? Cell wall is present only in plant cell but not in animal cell. Eukaryotic cells possess an organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope and membrane bound cell organelles. In eukaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles are present. Example: protists, plants, animals and fungi. Eukaryotic cells has extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm, means organelles in eukaryotic cells live and work in separate areas. Clear, children? Organelles in eukaryotic cells live and work in separate areas within the cell in order to perform their specific functions more efficiently. They have variety of complex locomotory and cytoskeleton structures. Do you know what is cytoskeleton? It is a complex, you can see in the figure, it is a complex network of interlinking protein filaments. You can see all protein filaments which is present in the cytoplasm. Inside the cell membrane, you know that this is cytoplasm. So this network of interlinking protein filaments present in the cytoplasm of all cells including bacteria and archaea. So they have variety of complex locomotory and cytoskeleton structures. Clear? And genetic material is organized into chromosomes. I have already told you that all eukaryotic cells are not identical. Plant and animal cells are different. You know that plant cells has cell walls, plastids and a large central vacuole. But all these are absent in animal cells. Clear, children? And animal cells possess centrioles which is absent in almost all plant cells.